Hello everyone, my name is Shoram and welcome to my 33rd video of HTML5 tutorial series. Today we are going to discuss about some HTML5 semantic elements. So let's begin. So what exactly are semantic elements? As you have seen my tutorial, we have already discussed about form and table elements. Okay, so by reading these tag names you can tell what it is or what its content is. Okay. So here form and table are semantic elements, whereas we also have discussed about div and span elements, but reading these tag names you can't tell what its content is. Okay, I mean a div or span can have any kind of elements inside it. It can have a form, it can have a table, anything inside it. Okay, so here div and span are non-semantic elements. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about some more semantic elements. First of all, we will discuss about the nav elements. So how to write a nav element? To write a nav element, we simply have to write less than sign, then nav, then greater than sign, and then close it like this. Now within this nav element, we will add some links here. Okay. So here within the nav element we have added some links here. As you can learn from the name that nav element are generally used for any kind of navigation bar, okay, at the top of the page. We have saved it and you can see the nav links appear here. Okay. Next we will discuss about the section element. The section element defines a section in a document. According to W3C HTML documentation, a section is a thematic grouping of content, typically with a heading. So let's write a section element. To write it, we write it first section and then write all the contents inside it. Okay. So here within the section element we have added a h1 tag and a p tag. Okay. Now let's save it and check in our browser. You can see here the section element is just like a div element, but only the difference is here a name is applied to the tag and you can tell that what type of content it can contain. Okay. And you can style the section element just like any other elements in HTML. Okay, add a width and height and change the color, background, etc. Okay, let's add another section element just below this. Okay, we have added another section just below it with the same type structure of the content with the h1 tag and a p tag. You can add as many sections as you want in your HTML page. So now let's save it and check in our browser. You can see it appears like it is just an article. Okay, you see in articles in web pages, you see visit blogs, you can see there the articles lie like this. Okay, lastly we will discuss about the header element. So what exactly is header element? Header element is generally used to identify the content that precedes to the primary content of the web page, and often contains website, branding, navigation elements, search forms at the top of the page most of the times. Okay, so it acts as an introductory container for a web page. So how to write a header element? So let's see that. To write a header element, we simply write header here and then close it like this. Now within this we can add a navigation bar, a search bar, a logo, etc. Now let's add some content. So we have added a anchor logo here, logo tag within the h2 tag, and a nav element with anchor tags here. Okay, now let's save it and check in our browser. You can see here the logo appears here and the nav links appear here. So, and all of these are contained inside the header elements. So I hope I have cleared some of the semantic elements that are used in HTML5. So that's it for now. If you understand this, we are going to discuss some more semantic elements in our coming tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye.